Wesley, chop it. Real nice. Alec, show him how it's done.
You're like 5-year-old.
You just surrender the blade to it.
It really puts the carve like tires to this.
Do it. Or Wesley Lowe for Student Center's president.
Carve up trees. Alright, how about this tree? Can we get this one?
Can I chop it?
Yeah.
Dibs?
I don't think that's true.
That's a good tree.
Are we supposed to take it or not?
No. Don't take it fly. How about the one that's leaning down? That one.
What about that one? That little thing right there.
Oh, yeah,
Dibs.
that one. Yeah,
Dibs.
that one.
Dibs. Alright, grab the machete.
Give me this machete. Don't need no glove.
Oh god.
Use one hand. Go on.
Not one finger. One hand.
20 minutes later.
What you see here, ladies and gentlemen, is an endangered species trying to find food, also known as the hunter and gatherers. This species is called the CJism. That's cheating. That's cheating, CJ. That's cheating.
Oh god.
Bad idea.
Pull your leg off.
I am conquering the tree! It knows who's boss!
Put that down.
Not poetry.
Poor tree. The tree even like.
Don't be jealous, Wesley.
It didn't get a choice where it grew up.
Don't have a second life. That's small.
You don't know its life!
Manslaughter.
IRC Tree Massacre? Alec, what are you doing? Please turn the camera to Alec.
I'm doing the same thing you're doing, just in a different method.
I can't get both of you in.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you guys are right behind you.
Still working on a tree?
Shut up! It's a damn machete!
Yeah, dance with the tree.
Oh, she caught her tree.
Bad, Wesley.
Oh, ow.
Hey, see, that was that called for? Look, you see what I got in my hand?
Where's my machete? I got a tree and a machete.
I could have knocked you out before you got to your machete. I'm a 4th degree black belt in Marine Corps martial arts. I don't think you wanted it. There's 18 different ways, people. 18 different ways that I can kill a human being without a weapon. 18.
I should go ahead and demonstrate.
I can kill you with a Q-tip right now.
What happened without a weapon? That sounds like a weapon.
Not that tree.
Yeah, not this one.
He's not
Taking it down.
He's carving it.
That is not carving. That is carving. A stripe?
Circle. This tree's coming down. I'm sorry. It's like a loose tooth.
I don't think they're gonna ask us to come back.
We're killing all their
It's so
trees.
good to eat.
You can try getting rid of that poison oak or whatever it is.
Are we still recording?
Yeah, it's still on there. Only 4 minutes.
How much,
Turn it off if you
What are
want.
we doing?
make a reality too.
Yep.
How much money you think I can get for this wood?
How much money?
Yeah.
20. How much money?
You got a 20 for me?
Wesley, we're gonna make you a sign out of this wood.
Yeah.
It's a triangle.
Ish. What do you say?
Oh, another piece of wood coming out.
Poor tree.
Poor tree, I know.
Why are we killing this tree? It's a good one.
It's already dead.
It's not dead though, it's just winter.
Dead.
No, it's,
Okay, but this tree thinks it's winter.
I don't really.
It feels like winter.
Oh, it's spring now.
It's spring. Exactly.
Spring is
A couple days ago.
On Wednesday.
You know,
This video is getting boring. Everybody say bye.
bye.
Bye. Wesley, say bye.
Oh, my $20 back.
Say bye, Emmanuel. Say bye, Alec.
Adios, amigos.
Bye.
Bye.